morning. Peace and blessings to the people. What's up? What's up? What's up? Here's to another trip. As you see on the description, heading to Iceland today. I'm currently back home in New York. Yeah, I'm about to start packing up. But before we do, definitely want to say thank you for those who subscribe, like, comment, share, stay encouraging me to keep doing it, you know, so I appreciate y'all. So although it's like 8:20 a.m. in the morning, it's never too early, so cheers to y'all. With that being said, this video just gonna be a real quick, you know, like in terms of if you decide to go to Iceland in the winter, what to pack. For those who know me, I do research before I even make a move. You know, I want to know what's out there, where I'm going, what to get into, you know, what to wear, stuff like that. Nevertheless, if you are planning to go to Iceland in the winter, be prepared, you know, for the weather and everything. So because of the weather, pretty much copped a few pair of these, you know, smart wool socks that's supposed to keep my feet warm, you know, while I'm, you know, walking around up and down, stuff like that. Also, shout out to the sister named Jasmine. I never knew about these foot warmers as well as the hand warmers, so definitely gonna wear those. I'll let y'all know how that is. You're supposed to open it up, shake it or whatever, then it gets warm. Some of them will last for 10 hours, 8 hours, you know, supposedly, but on top of that, still coming prepared with the gloves or whatnot. Because there's gonna be ice and stuff like that on the ground, right? I also bought a pair, also bought a pair of these, right? Got them from Amazon. They are called crampons. So they're like ice cleats that you put on top, put underneath your boot and whatnot. So it just prevents you from slipping, falling, stuff like that. So I got that, right? What else? Definitely got some of these. These are snow pants. They're also insulated, right? So I copped 2 pairs of those, you know, just to keep warm and whatnot. And then I was also told that I needed like a base layer, which is essentially whatchamacallit, like thermals, but they supposedly are meant for brutally cold conditions, you know. So I got a pair of these on top of my other thermals, so just to keep warm. And of course got me a nice little waterproof, you know, vented jacket, which y'all see, you know what I mean. So yeah, once again, just whatever you do in terms of researching, making sure you plan the trip accordingly and have the gear to be prepared for whatever weather you're going to. So as you already see, like I say, I'm going to Iceland, heading there later on tonight, flying out, should be there early in the morning, and that's where the adventure begins. So with that being said, once again, cheers to y'all. And I know I'm looking kind of scruff right now, but all of this will come off this afternoon. You'll see me later when I record to my normal looking self. All right. So with that, y'all have an amazing week, amazing weekend. February is almost over. Have an amazing rest of the month and continue doing what y'all doing for the new year. All right. See y'all later. Peace. Peace and blessings, what it do. I'm here at the airport. My cousin, shout out to my cousin Lamont for dropping me off at the airport. I'm here, just waiting for my flight right now, heading to Iceland. I'm geared up right now. Let me just show you, I'm hot right now because I'm prepared for the weather when I get there early in the morning. So let me just show you real quickly. So I got the boots on. I don't care about the brand, but for those who do, yes, these are Timberlands. You know what I mean? Timberlands or whatever. Then I got, you know what I mean, the snow pants on, whatever. Got the joint on real quickly. Thanks to my homeboy Dre, Adrian Greaves, for hooking the shirt up. The only P I'm pushing, right, is this passport. Got that, and plus I got my jacket, so I'm kind of hot right now, but it is what it is, because I know that once I land in Iceland, it's going to be brick. So I'm going to be prepared. Rather be prepared, rather be ready than not. You know what I mean? So it's wartime, baby. Mentally, spiritually, emotionally. But anyhow, I'm here. Can't wait. So thank y'all again for following my journey, you know, my travels. Thank you for all who keep inspiring me, motivate me, tell me, you know what I mean, words of encouragement. I appreciate y'all from the heart, you know what I mean. Peace to that. Keep doing what I do, you know, just traveling with Prince. Travel with me, baby. All right. On that note, I'll see y'all when I land in Reykjavik. So yeah, it's gonna be a blast. I got some planned. All right, a whole lot of stuff. So yeah, I can't wait. Like I said, next trip for my birthday. Rewind. Next trip. The cruise, family cruise, we doing that. That's gonna be in April. Look forward to that. Of course, then for my birthday, Africa, then whatever else, you know what I mean, the creator, the universal ancestry got for me. I'm just going with the flow and just go with it, you know what I mean? Like, I did a lot, came from a lot, sacrificed, fell down hard, risen, and I'm here, and I'm just appreciative, grateful, humble for every single second, moment, hour, day, week, month, year, etc., etc. So with that being said, I'll see y'all on the other side. Peace. Yeah, baby, another one. See it. Thank you all again. Subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, all that good stuff. We're here on that runway. Look at my happy space.
I know. I'm like, speaking the Iceland.
I'll update y'all later. All right, peace. morning, good morning. What it do, what it do, what it do. Peace and blessings to the fam. So it's about, I want to say, hold on, let me get my phone so I can actually say the time. It is 7:35 a.m. here in Iceland, and it's 2:35 a.m. in the morning back home in New York. So, yeah, just landed. Well, I ain't just landed, but I landed a good hour and a half ago, just going through customs, the rental, everything else. So, yeah, just had a slight issue. The rental I paid for, you know, I expected what I had paid for, and it wasn't that, so I had to come back around and take care of that. So now we're gonna see if this is right size vehicle to handle this weather out here. But other than that, it's not even that cold. I thought it would be cold, but it's not that cold, so it's all good. It's all good. Just reminded me of New York City weather. So yeah, but I'll holler at y'all. I'm about to head to this national park and just enjoy myself. So I'll holler at y'all. All right then, peace. Sun is shining. Weather is sweet. Pulled over right now. The sun is coming up, you know, by like 9:15 came up. So man, this is wonderful. It's cold ahead. Let me show y'all how cold it is. Nope, can't do it right now. Let me see. Hold on. Give me a minute, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all right now how cold it is outside. That weather is crazy. I mean, like overall, my body, my legs, everything is warm, but my hands were out bare, so that's why it was cold. But let me show y'all. Check this out. Y'all can see it is minus 11 outside. Minus 11. So right now I'm heading to, I'm not even gonna say the name, I'll just put it in the description. It's like Thingvellir National Park, where the two tectonic plates are divided. So one side is North America, the other side is Eurasia, right? So yeah, I'm about to head there. Then after that, to the waterfalls. Then after that, go see some geysers or geysers. You know, I haven't eaten yet. Didn't sleep on the plane, so I'm definitely gonna go to bed early because I have a 2-day excursion starting tomorrow. So I'm ready for that. But I'm definitely gonna hit the town when I get back. Have some fish and chips, something to drink, whatever. Just walk around. But it's beautiful out here. Like Iceland, the land of fire and ice. It's definitely beautiful coming out here during the winter time. Something out the norm, had to do it, and I wanted to do it, and that was that. I'm here. So yeah. This beautiful. Again, loving it. Got the SUV. It was a little difficulty at the rental spot. Shorty tried to give me a sedan, and I paid for an SUV. You know what I mean? But yeah, here now. So once again, thank y'all. I'll be posting and recording and showing y'all the good stuff out here in Iceland. All right, peace. Het is nog een here walking between the two tectonic plates. One side is North America, the other side is Euro-Asia. Check it out. What up? I'm back with the GoPro. I had to charge the battery up. Crazy. But I'm here at the Geyser right now. So check it out. Every 10 minutes it's supposed to erupt. So you can catch it. Try to see which one it is. So check it out. So apparently this big one erupts, as I mentioned, I think every 5 to 6 minutes. So I'll catch it again. My bad. Just finally made it to the hotel. The strange thing, nothing wrong with the lights with my camera. It's the camera setting, whatever. Oh yeah? Hold up. So finally made it to the hotel. The peculiar thing about this, right? I've never been to a hotel that is actually, hold on. Yes, that is actually, what do you call it? Self-check-in. So I was given my room number and the code, as you can see right here, 2 days before I actually arrived. So I'm about to check it out right now to see if it actually works. So yeah, let's see if it works. Here we go, y'all. And it actually worked. And here is, take these boots off. I done been through a whole lot today. You know, when I enter, I gotta take these shoes off. So let me give y'all a little tour. Hold on, my bad. Let me close this, oh, the door's closed. Okay, so this is the room that I'll be staying in. You know, for me, it's not all about the hotels like that. Gotta be, you know, frugal at times. And then at times I gotta, why am I talking to y'all like this? At times I have to, you know, treat myself. But here it is right now. I'm gonna give you a room tour. You know, single occupancy, just me. Be here for tonight. Tomorrow night I won't be here because I'm going on a 2-day excursion. There you go. Yeah. We're in Iceland, baby. Trips over trip. Live your life. Woof, yo. And the weather's not even that cold. It's like New York cold, you know what I mean? Word, B. All right, so let me finish showing y'all the room. Boom. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, as I was saying, it's a self-check-in hotel. Got the code. You know what I mean? Little something, little, you know what I mean? It's just me. I'm here, so doesn't matter. It looks clean, smells clean, so I like it. Like it so far. Just definitely wanna get in that shower later. I wanna go eat. I haven't eaten all day, B. You know what I mean? Since my homeboy ate a little bit that my homeboy Dave made for me. I took it to the airport. But yeah, did the whole golden circle from by the time I got the car, the rental car, and drove off, it was like a little after 7. And it took me completely about like 8 hours to complete the golden circle, not just driving around it, but, you know, just going to the national park, walking around. It was a long walk, did that. And then after that, going to the geyser to look at the geyser, you know, blow up and, you know, shoot out the steam and whatnot. Flew my drone, you know, chilled there. And then I went to the gullfoss waterfall, did that, you know. So yeah, all of that took about some, like I said, 8 hours in total. Now I'm back, finally in the city of Reykjavik. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. So this is my view. You know what I mean? I got a street view. I'm on the 2nd floor. Again, man, my time here is gonna be excursions. I'll be here to sleep, to shower, whatever, you know. So I'm about to hit the town, get something to eat, something to drink, of course, and come back and shower and take it down because I have a 2-day excursion starting tomorrow. That entails going to the, excuse me, Black Sand Beach, Diamond Beach, some more well-known waterfalls, spending the night in another hotel, which is part of the excursion, trying to chase the northern lights. I saw a little bit of the northern lights while I was on a plane coming here. For those who are going to Iceland, in order to capture the northern light, so I just happened to look out the window and I saw like this faint streak, right? Just a streak. It was like, it wasn't green, it was just like cloud, like gray. But I remember watching a YouTube video of the person saying you have to put your camera on night mode, and then that's how the green, I don't know what the significance with the night mode and all that other stuff, but that's what happens. And I was able to capture it. I was like, wow, I actually see it, but I want to see it more up and close, not on the plane, but down here on the ground. So hopefully that happens tomorrow night while we out here. But yeah, I'll let y'all when I get back tonight, tell y'all, you know what I mean, some stuff. All right then, take it easy. Thank you again for liking, subscribing, commenting, doing all that good stuff. I truly appreciate y'all. So now I'm about to hit this town up and get something to eat. Starving. I want to have this fish and chips and see what's up this local beer and just walk around. Yeah. All right, y'all. Peace.
You want bread on the